Hey there, it's Regina, the Queen of Car Loans. I'm super excited to be coming to you for another episode. We're here to share information, share hearts, and talk about everything you need to know about getting into that vehicle. Whether you're dealing with some bruised credit or just trying to figure out the whole car buying process, I'm here to support you every step of the way.
Hi, it's Regina, the Queen of Car Loans here, and I have something powerful coming your way. On Saturday, December 13th from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., I am hosting the Keys to Confidence Car Buying Seminar at 374 Telegraph in Pontiac. This is not your average car talk session. This is where real financial power begins. We're talking about how to buy smart, how to build and repair your credit, and now we're adding something new, how to strengthen your business credit so you can finally qualify for grants, funding, and real capital. You'll meet some of the best experts in the game, from credit union and banks to insurance pros, credit repair specialists, and business finance experts, all ready to pour into you. And our vendors, they're coming bearing gifts. That means giveaways, prizes, and resources designed to help you walk away with more than knowledge. You'll leave with real tools for success. And here's the best part. At the event, I am introducing something I've been building for years. The Queen of Car Loans University, a 6-month, step-by-step program designed to take you from credit stress to credit success. If you ever dreamed of driving what you deserve, owning your business, or just reclaiming your financial peace, this is your moment. So mark your calendar, December 13th, 374 Telegraph, 11 to 1. Come ready to learn, connect, and level up. Because there are a lot of queens on the air, but I'm the only queen that stands tall on financial literacy in our community. See you there. Let's turn those keys and unlock access to financial confidence and freedom.
Register now at keys.regina, thequeenofcarloans.com. Seating is extremely limited.
Happy Tuesday, everyone. We are live today on Regina, the Queen of Car Loans at Joe Longhammer Chevrolet Facebook page, and we're also live on YouTube. If you are new to my Facebook page, give me a follow. Share my video. Sharing is caring. Remember that sharing is caring. Also know that if you are new to my YouTube channel, Regina, the Queen of Car Loans, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button because you'll be notified every time I do a video or every time I go live. But listen, I'm super excited today because yesterday officially I am monetized on YouTube. What does that mean? That means I will start getting a little bit of money from YouTube. How the process works and all that, me and Eric, my marketing manager or marketing director, is doing some more work on that. But anyway, I am officially monetized on YouTube. That is huge for me because I want to say maybe over the last almost 6 years, I've been grinding and grinding by doing videos and sharing information. I believe that all the knowledge that I have obtained in the last 27, 28 years, being not just in the car business, but also being in the mortgage field, I wanted to be able to share with you all the information I have read or the information I have learned just by dealing with customers on a day-to-day basis. So I'm monetized. So I'm super excited about that. If you want to call in today and you want to talk to me because I am live today, the number to call in is 248-905-1128. That's 248-905-1128. But remember, sharing is caring too. But hey, I'm super excited because on December 13th, at 374 North Telegraph, I am having Keys to Confidence Car Buying Seminar. It is from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. I'm super excited about it because in the building that day is Easter Banner has been added to the ticket. She will be there. Also, the CEO founder, Easter Banner, of course, will be there. Brenda Carter, state representative, will be in the house. Angela Powell, Commissioner Angela Powell, Oakland County Commissioner, will be in the house, and me, Regina, the Queen of Car Loans. And also on the panel will be We will have a credit union. That credit union I can't reveal at this time because we're still working on that credit union. But we'll also have insurance agents. I have a couple insurance agents that I deal with that are local that will be in the building. And then also I'll have a credit repair company in the building on that day. And then we'll be giving away free prizes, free oil changes, free gift cards, and swag. And then we may be even also giving away a TV. But we also will be having a light lunch. And if you want to register, and if you're watching the live right now or you're watching a replay, you can just put your phone right over the QR code and you can register there. Or you can always give me a call. That number is 248 297 6675. That number you can reach me direct, which points to my cell. It's 248 297 6675. And you can text me or leave me a message and say, hey, I want to register for the Keys to Confidence car buying seminar. So yeah, so super excited about that. Again, it's Saturday, December 13th, 2025 from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. You don't want to miss that event. But let's go and get into today's program, what we're going to be talking about. I forgot to tell everybody that you can get a copy of my free ebook, badcreditbook.com, badcreditbook.com. Again, put your phone up to the video screen, up to the screen, and scan. You can get a free copy of my ebook, badcreditbook.com. But today we're going to be talking about because what is right after Thanksgiving? That is Black Friday. And I'm going to give you the exact script that you need to use to get your Black Friday approval. Again, the exact script to get your Black Friday approval. Everybody knows that one of the biggest shopping days of the year is after Thanksgiving, which is Friday. But also, I was told last night that, which I forgot since I'm getting older, but I guess the biggest bar night of the year is, I'm told, it's day before Thanksgiving. But anyway, today we're going to be talking about, forget about the biggest bar night, Wednesday night, but we're going to be talking about the exact script to get ready for Black Friday approval. And I want to make sure that you get your pencil and your paper ready because being in this business over 20 years, I got the secret sauce, right? To be able to help you go into the dealership and be confident, get the deal done, be happy before you go in because you're going to be equipped. You're going to be happy in the middle because you're going to be super excited because you got the script from the queen. And then you're going to be happy after you leave. And then it's not going to be any buyer's remorse or leasing remorse when you actually get home and get your vehicle, even 2 or 3 months later. It's not going to be any remorse, right? Any buyer's remorse. Why? Because I am giving you the secret sauce today for your Black Friday approval. Well, the biggest thing you want to think about, number one, is if you're looking for a new or used vehicle at that time on Black Friday, you want to look for the old age vehicles. Now, if you're looking for a new car, you want to find out what is the oldest age unit. Think about it. Right now, September, October of this year, the 2026 came out. So what does that tell you? Is that 2025 is if there is a 2025 model on the dealership lot, that's the car that you want. If that vehicle has some of the needs and the wants that you actually need and want, that is the car for you because 2025 is the car that the dealership is paying interest on that particular car. That means that car has been sitting there over 360 days, probably 300 over a year. So that's the car that you want to target and you want to negotiate. Now, 2026, more than likely, if you got 25 and you get to 26, depends on if the model have changed in the last couple years prior to 2026, then it's going to be the same car, just a year older. So what I'm saying to you is that you're saying, you know what, why would I want a 25 and they're selling in 2026? Number one is because you want to look at price. Dealers want to get rid of that car faster because of the interest that they're paying on their car. Number two, I mean, on that particular car. Number two, the manufacturers are looking to get rid of those vehicles because they want the 2026 models to be sold, meaning that they're going to be offering incentivized maybe interest rates. It might be 0% financing for 36 months. It might be 2.9 for 48 months. It might even be 4.9 for 60 months. And then maybe 72 months, it might be a special interest rate for that. So when you look for old age unit, look for the incentivized rates also. Incentivized rates will help you, if you qualify for it, save more in interest. Now, the third thing you want to think about is if your credit is challenged, you want to be well equipped and everything you need when you go to the dealership. Now, what do I mean? I mean that you need to have your driver's license, or know this. If you didn't know this, every lender does not require you to have a driver's license. That you may be able to buy that particular car with a state ID. Now, some of our lenders, if they put in the comments on the bottom of the approval that you need a driver's license, that's when we have to have a driver's license. But some people buy cars with state IDs. The only thing about it is that you have to be able to insure the car. Now, getting better prepared for Black Friday is picking that vehicle out, a couple vehicles that you want, and checking the insurance ahead of time. Checking the insurance ahead of time will save time and save money, but that's getting prepared for Black Friday. Next thing you want to think about is knowing that, and it's a secret sauce if you have a state ID getting ready for Black Friday. Now, there's one insurance company that I know that sticks out in my mind every time someone says they have the state ID and they need to get insurance. Progressive Insurance is the only insurance company that the Queen knows will let you put insurance on a car without a driver's license. Yes, you're going to pay a little bit more, but Progressive will insure you on that particular automobile that you're buying or leasing without a driver's license. Now, the rest of the insurance companies require a driver's license. Now, might be other out there that maybe you don't have to have a driver's license, but Progressive is the one. So if you're that person and you have a state ID, and it's a couple cars that you already picked out that you think that you want, give Progressive a call and say, you know what, I got a VIN number, a particular car. Can you, and I don't have a driver's license, can you run me and give me an estimate what you think my insurance would be? Know this, that the particular car that you're buying will be a different car than the VIN number that you gave the insurance company, but it's just helping you get a quote. So know that it does not have that be that particular car that you're actually looking to actually buy or lease. You're just getting a quote. So you can pick any number, any VIN number off of a dealership's website or that particular car you're looking to get. Well, let's get back to being equipped. Now, when you're talking about being equipped because of your credit is challenged, you want to make sure that you have two current pay stubs available and ready. Not downloading them when you get to the dealership, but doing it beforehand. Getting those two current pay stubs within 30 days available, downloaded, and in a nice folder and ready to go with you at the dealership. Then also getting a light bill, a gas bill, or a piece of mail that matches your current address. Not junk mail, a piece of mail. Remember, light bill, gas bill, bank statement, water bill, credit card bill, and then also 5 references. Now, they may only require 2 or 3 references, but 5 references is better being prepared, more prepared than not being all the way prepared. Now, 5 references: name of somebody that you know, friend or relative. Now, more than likely, they don't want it anybody that you actually live with. But 5 references: name, address, telephone number. Now, name, full name, first and last name, address that person lives at, city and state, and the relationship that, whether it's your friend, whether it's your mom, your dad, your cousin, whatever relationship it is, they want to know. Now, people say that, why are they asking for 5 references? Well, let me just be very clear to you on why the bank wants 5 references. That they want 5 references because if you choose to not make your payment, or you have some issues, or they can't find you when it's time for you to make a payment, or you just ghosted the bank, you know what they're going to do? They're going to embarrass you. They're going to call your references. They're going to call them and say, you know what? This is, hello, this is Don calling from Credit Acceptance. And, I'm calling on behalf of, I'm calling because Sally Sue, I was looking to know whether I was wanting to know, have you seen them lately? Have you spoken with them? They're going to call your references. They're going to seek you out, look for you. So they're gonna embarrass you. So what I'm telling you right now is the secret sauce for the secret sauce also for Black Friday is, and the Black Friday approval is being prepared, but having your references too. And the next thing is, if you're looking to buy a new car and it's Black Friday, besides finding out whether you're looking at a new vehicle, it's finding the incentives. Not just the incentivized rate, but the incentives. The incentives of manufactured rebates. If there's a 2.9, 3.9, is there a rebate that's available on that new car? You know, some of the new cars now offer Costco. If you have a Costco card, you may get $1,000 rebate or $1,500 rebate. And rebates are important because rebates are used as money down. And then also, can I use Costco with the GM discount? Now, how do you be prepared before Black Friday? Another way is having your GM discount number already available. Having that GM discount already available. That saves time, money, time and money. That's what it does. It saves time. It saves time because you can be at the dealership faster because the salesperson says, you have your GM discount number? Yeah, I got it right here. So prepare and have that GM discount number ready. Remember, GM discount is for family members. Sister, brother, aunt, uncle, mother, father, grandparents, aunts, uncles. And then you have suppliers. Suppliers discount is someone that works for General Motors, right? Or works for one of the big threes, but not just General Motors. It could be Chrysler, it can be Ford. That's going to give you a discount on the vehicle that you're looking to buy, that new car. And it'll be a little bit of savings. To me, I always say a little bit of savings is better than nothing. The last thing I want to share on this particular live today is that always, always ask, is there any more rebates or discounts that I can get? Don't accept when we say, well, that's all I can do. Beat us down. It's Black Friday. Work us, right? Work us. Is there anything else? Is there any other discount that I can get today? It's almost end of the year. It's closing time. It's just like the Lions game was on Sunday. It was a minute left, and we were all saying we don't need another L, right? We don't need another loss. Well, Black Friday, you don't want a loss. You want to win. So keep asking, keep wearing this down. Is there anything else you can do for me? Can you get my payment better? Can you get me a lower payment? Is there any more rebates that I qualify for? The last thing I want to share, I said the last thing already. One more thing I want to share on this is, I'm helping out with down payment. So if you're looking to buy a car from the Queen, I'm matching up to $500 for down payment on Friday. Now, I've been doing this for some months, but I've been getting very creative lately. And when I say very creative, I have been, if you have $1,000 down and maybe you don't have money for insurance. So what will happen is I'll lessen your down payment and then we'll use your money for insurance. I'll help you out with down payment and you'll pay for your insurance, or vice versa. So we'll move it around. It's always more than one way to skin a cat. If you don't ask, you don't receive. And my mom and my dad used to always say, open mouths don't get fed. So if you don't ask for those great deals or ask more questions and always say, can you do this? Can you do that? Then Black Friday, the secret sauce, you will not have it and you'll not be completely satisfied because you didn't work the dealer. All right. Thank you for watching and have a great day. And remember, sharing is caring. That's a wrap on today's episode. Thank you so much for spending time with me. It truly means the world. If you need help with a car loan or just want to chat about your situation, you know where to find me. Hit that subscribe button if you want more tips and support. And remember, everyone has a situation, but together we can get into that vehicle you need. I'm Regina.